How to put coordinates and images. I will show you. And why is this important? Add real GPS location metadata to your image with advanced geotagging, improve local signal, location relevance, AI discovery readiness, and map visibility by embedding accurate EXIF coordinates directly into your photos without changing image quality. Why is this important? This is important especially for local citation. Okay, let's start how to do this. First, we need the coordinates from exact location. Like we will search about CBA medicine.com. First, we will find the location where exactly its location. So here's the location. We will find in Google Map. This is our location about where we need to put in the Google Map. You see, these are our coordinates. How to put this in images? First, we need to log into instantseoscan.com, and here we can check geotagging. Here is our coordinate latitude and longitude. So first put our latitude and then we will put our longitude. Now check any image we have already. So first check the image. Or we can download if we have in drive. One important thing, when you send a picture on WhatsApp to another person, the geotagging will be removed automatically. So we have this picture. Now let's see it. First check its coordinates. See description, title, subject, rating, tag, comments, etc. These are empty. So how to put the coordinates and title, etc. So come to the tool. We can check exact street, district, city. So exact location is fine. Upload the picture. Here's our picture, and we will put all our coordinates like meta t. So we keep the turtle CBA medicine. Here we can type the descriptions. Yeah, medicine.com. Canadian. What exactly? That's our title. Canadian Board Aesthetic Medicine. So, so we can put these in the keywords also, or you can change it in the alt text. That's also very important. Write EXIF, capture return time if you want to add 25 3:40 p.m. What is missing? Let's check this first. Spot manifest. What we are missing is snap receipt. So we will write to write EXIF if it give any error. So you need to remove the last numbers like this and set up reset. So here is our exact location and write EXIF download process. So now we will check our new image. This is our geo tagging. In detail, you will see the full information here. This is the latitude, this is longitude, this is altitude, and these are our titles, these are our subject, these are our content. So you can write this image in your website that will show everything about your website. So local sanitation can easily detect these images. Thank you.